What up, people? They're finishing this trailer up. Did a weld repair. Cleaned it all up. Cleaned up a little bit. Look down here on the tongue. Gotta do that other side, as you can tell. It's pretty clean. Had to weld the chain on. The chain can come off. Just weld it back on. Put a little color on it. Gotta come over here on this side now and do it. Crack weld and a lot of chicken scratch on it, so I'm gonna try to straighten it up a little bit. Looks like I went into the trailer repair business. I don't know what's going on with that, but gotta do what you gotta do. I guess God's work's never done. Peace out, bitches.